Alright guys, we're going to be talking about how to do a critical or a speed or an emergency reload, whatever you want to call it. Basically when you're out of ammunition, magazine's empty, and the bolt is locked open, when we're needing to get the gun back up in the fight real quick like. So if we run out of ammunition, we're shooting, and all of a sudden nothing happens anymore. First thing we're going to do, take our fingers straighten off the trigger, we're going to check and look at the ejection port. We want to look at the ejection port to see if we have a malfunction, because by attempting to shoot it and not getting it to shoot, the only thing we know is that it's not shooting. We could have some sort of stoppage, and you make sure that's not the case. So once you've made sure it's not, in fact, a malfunction, we're going to re-engage the mechanical safety, and using our shooting hand's trigger finger, we're going to depress the magazine release button, and because that magazine is empty, we don't need it anymore. It's not useful to us. There's no ammunition in it we want to retain. So we're going to grab our replacement magazine nice and low. I got my pinky hooked on the bottom here. You want to grab it nice and low, because if you grab it really high, your hand is going to hit the magazine well, and you won't get a good seat on there. So grabbing the magazine nice and low, insert it with one firm push up into the magazine well, and give it a tug on it to make sure it's fully seated. And once it is, you're going to reach up with your thumb, hit the bolt catch, resume your grip, sight back in, and attempt to continue firing. That's how we're going to do our speed reload.